Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by ensuring your Mac is online and you have your Apple ID credentials ready. Open the Apple menu and choose System Settings. On older Mac OS versions, pick System Preferences instead. Once done, select your Apple ID option at the top of the sidebar or click Sign in if it's visible. Make sure your date and time are correct in System Settings, because Apple uses that to validate certificates and avoid authentication errors, so correct any mismatch before proceeding. You'll now enter your Apple ID email and password into the sign-in fields, typing carefully or pasting from a trusted password manager. If Apple asks for two-factor authentication, check your trusted iPhone or another device for the 6-digit code and enter it here. This step proves it's really you. After successful sign-in, you'll see iCloud options, toggle contacts, photos, and other services on or off depending on what you want synchronized across devices, and understand syncing uses iCloud storage. Once you finish, confirm your Apple ID appears in System Settings and that iCloud sync icons show recent activity. Make sure Find My Mac is enabled if you want device location. If sign-in fails, sign out, restart the Mac, and try again. Sometimes network or cached credentials cause issues. If you can't remember your password or the account is locked, visit the Apple Password Recovery Flow and reset via a trusted device or the recovery email. This resolves most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.